In today's lesson about the exponent rule, we're going to study the zero exponent rule, which says that any base except 0 raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. Let's take a look at the first example. X to the 0 power. Our base is x. Well, if we apply the rule, that will give us 1. Second example. Everything is inside the parentheses and being raised to the 0 power. Regardless about what's going on inside, it doesn't matter. The outcome is still the same. 1. Third example. Notice there is no parentheses in this expression. And therefore, we're going to treat every term individually. 9 to the 0 power. Well, we know that this one. X to the third power. All right. We just need to rewrite the expression. Y to the 0 power. Well, we know that is 1. Now, let's see. We have 1 times x to the third power times 1. Well, that will give us x to the third power. You may be wondering why an expression such as this one, or this one, the first example, being raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. In mathematics, sometimes we use patterns to predict the next outcome. Let me show you what I mean by that. 3 to the third power, the same as saying 3 times 3 times 3 times 1. So as you can see, we have 3 factors of 3. 3 to the second power. That means 2 factors of 3. 3 times 3 times 1. Now 3 to the 1 power. I don't need to write it, but I'm going to write it for you just so you can see the pattern. Well, that tells me this 1 factor of 3 times 1. We have to the third power, to the second power, to the first power. 3 times 3 times 1, 3 times 3 times 1, 3 times 1. Finally, 3 to the 0 power. Well, look at our pattern. This is what we have left. Which tells us that 3 to the 0 power is equal to 1. So any expression raised to the 0 power is equal to 1.